Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Creators. I'm Karataline Shabir, your host. Today, I'll show you how to create animated cartoon videos using free tools and the power of AI. This video is really important. The info I'm sharing is not found on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. So stick around and follow each step carefully to get the exact results you're aiming for today. We're using completely free platforms, no paid software, and you'll be creating in minutes. Seriously! Let's jump straight into the tutorial and start turning your fresh ideas into animated cartoons now.
So as I said in the beginning of the video that this is going to be a really different video that I suppose that nobody in YouTube or any other program or software like TikTok, Instagram, whatsoever, they wouldn't have told you the secret, which I'm going to share with you today. So stick around carefully and follow my instructions carefully to get your desired results. So what you're going to do first is that you're going to go to the URL section and search for Meta AI. I'll leave a link to the description below. Click on the first link. Then you'll be redirected to this page. Now, if you haven't logged in, then you need to log in or sign up whatsoever. When you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, you're going to give it a prompt right here. I've already created my prompt. If you haven't, then you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a prompt. Now, click on this arrow. And all you're going to do is wait for 5 to 10 seconds. So now it just was about 5 seconds that it just created it, and it looks pretty nice. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to set the aspect ratio to your desired one. The default one is 1:1. I'm going to go with 9:16. Then go and click on generate. So now it has generated us its pictures. Now if you're happy with the results, you can click on animate. If you're not, then you can click on regenerate. It doesn't have credits, that's the best part. Now click on animate. So now it is generated as these beautiful results, as you can see. Now what you're going to do is that when you're done, you can click on download from here, or you can edit from here, you can copy, you can do so many things. Okay, so now you'd be wondering that is there a watermark? So yes, there is a watermark, but it's very tiny that it is not very noticeable. It's down right here. Okay, so I'm going to download it from here, and our video has been downloaded. Now you can publish it to any software, web app, or whatever, even YouTube, anything. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Bye.